Specialist Officer 2020-21. In this edition, we will also discuss the future of this bank because there are so many questions about IDBI Bank's future, and we will also discuss the vacancies of the bank and the strategies to qualify the exams. Okay, so in few minutes, let me share this video's link with all our students. Give a second to me. So many of you today asked me the questions about the future of the bank, what are the career prospects. So all I will answer here today. So nothing to worry. We'll discuss everything. Okay. So just stay tuned. In a few seconds we'll start our discussion. Okay, so how is my audio? Am I audible to all of you? Am I audible to all of you, friends? Am I clearly audible? Am I clearly audible to all of you? Please confirm my audibility. Yes. Sir, is there as one vacancy relaxed to trade finance profile? Please, yes. Ashok, hi, welcome to the session. Yes, there is a vacancy. Yes, I have, yes. Okay, I have pointed out the vacancies that is going to be helpful to all of you. So, nothing to worry. Okay. So, nothing to worry. We'll discuss all that. Let all others join the session. I have already told the day before yesterday that there are many vacancies coming in risk and treasury profile. Here it is. More bank to follow the suit. Okay. So nothing to worry. As I have already told you that banks are following the suit. Many vacancies in risk management is coming. This is a new profile. Okay. So do remain prepared for upcoming vacancies. Okay. So let's share the video link in the groups so that more number of people will join us. We'll start discussing about it. So any questions you can also put forward in this session. We will discuss everything that is regarding this vacancy, the scope of these vacancies, future of this bank, and the strategy to qualify this examination, because there is a good news for many lateral entry aspirants that there will be no written test. Okay, direct GDPI, group discussion and personal interviews. So it will be beneficial for those who have less amount of time to prepare for quant and reasoning. So it will be helpful for you. We will have detailed strategy. We will have detailed analysis of all these vacancies. So before that, I would like to take few of your questions so that we'll go forward. What type of answers you want from me? What are your queries? I think many of you have checked the PDF of the vacancy. This has just started from today onwards. Okay. So. Okay, let me begin by saying that as you are skeptical about the future of IDBI Bank, the thing is not like that. IDBI Bank's future is safe, but yes, it is up to you whether you want to work with a private organization or not. But IDBI is a hybrid organization. Okay, this is not completely private, neither this one is completely public sector one. Okay, though the stakeholding pattern, I will also discuss with you the stakeholding pattern and what are the future, how this LIC is going to reduce the stake or not. We will discuss all that. So before that, let me tell you there are broadly 134 vacancies. So there are any graduates are eligible for posts up to 11 posts where any graduate is eligible. Economics background people are eligible up to up to 20 posts where economics graduate can be eligible. CS, ICAI, CFA are eligible for 17 number of posts. BCom, BBA, BCA candidates are eligible for up to 20-30 number of posts. Okay, BSc Math Statistics are eligible for 2 number of posts. BE, BTech are eligible for maximum number of posts, and engineering background and computer students, MSc Computer Science, or if you have IT background, then almost 50 number of posts are available for them. Okay, so there are some little catch about it, because these are scale 1 to scale 4 vacancy. They have renamed it scale 1 as assistant manager, scale 2 as only manager, scale 3 as assistant general manager AGM, and scale 4 is DGM, deputy general manager. But in other banks, DGM, AGM are very high posts. So here you will be getting a very good rank if you qualify for scale 3 and scale 4 posts. The designation will be catchy for all of you. Okay. So many of you are skeptical about the bank's future. Is it a private bank? As of now, it is not completely private one, right? The current stake in the bank is LIC is having 51% and Government of India is having 47.11%. Okay. So if you will check the stakeholding pattern of this bank, you will find the LIC holding 51% and the President of India holds 47.11%. When Government of India holds any stake in any institution, the stakeholder is the President of India. This is a GK banking awareness question. You can remember it. Okay. Who holds the rest 47.11%? President of India. LIC holds 51% stake, whereas Government of India, or you can say President of India, holds 47.11%. Why I am telling you all this stakeholding pattern? This stakeholding pattern will decide the future of this bank. Okay. Whereas in share market, the public holds only 1.46%. Right, you can see on the screen, public holds only 1.46%. So there could be two options lying with LIC of India. Okay, there could be two options. If LIC has to sell the stake, it can sell the stake to the private entities. When it will become a corporate bank, a bank like all other banks, ICICI, Axis, Kotak, etc. Okay, Yes Bank, etc. Or else it can go for a follow-on public offer. We will discuss that. So the future is not totally in danger if you are working or you are planning to work in IDBI bank. Getting it? Are you getting my point? If you have any doubt, you can ask me, because before knowing about the vacancies, whether you should work here or not, whether this one is a attractive vacancy for you or not, I must tell you that there is nothing wrong in IDBI bank. Yes, the work culture is a bit harassing, but same is everywhere. Okay, same is everywhere in all public sector bank. Hi Dinesh, what you are asking? DIR, I didn't get it. Please elaborate. You can ask me all the other questions. But let me tell you, the vacancies, the work culture is day by day getting worse. Okay, getting worse in public sector banks. Every single day it is worsening day by day because not only of the peer pressure from the bank's management, there is a huge public pressure. Okay, yes, this is the topic we are discussing today, Dinesh. I will bring you to the notification. Before that we have some planning of we are discussing about the future of IDBI bank. If future doesn't look attractive to you, no need to prepare, no need to worry about these vacancies. If you find it attractive, I must give you a presentation about IDBI bank and its future. What could happen if you join IDBI bank? What will be your future and bank's future? That I am going to discuss with you. so that you will be in a position to take a decision, right? Because from morning many messages coming floating to me to tell me about the details of the vacancy, whether one should join IDBI or not. If you are, I will give my decision at the end of the analysis. I will not prejudge anything. We will give the decision at the end of the session, or at the end of the presentation. Post presentation we will go to the vacancies. I have roughly discussed about the vacancies. We will go to that. Okay. So if any one of you have not subscribed to Knowledgist, kindly do so. We are bringing you the most trusted contents, materials, batches. So I deserve something from all of you. Okay. So I have already elaborated you the stake. Get a view of the stake. Currently, Government of India and LIC duo is holding more than 98% in this bank. In no other bank government has so much of stake. LIC is a government entity. You can say, as of now, it can be a hybrid organization. It's not entirely private one. But the work culture, if you say that work culture is worsening due to privatization, there is nothing like that. It was the culture has not immediately changed, and this is not going to change in coming 10 years. Even in big banks like State Bank of India and Bank of Baroda, you will find more pressurized work culture. I officially cannot say worst work culture, but more pressures, both peer pressure and pressure from public, pressure from political leaders. So all types of pressure is there in all other banks. So you need not worry which bank is better, which bank is good for you and which is not. Okay. So what is the RBI directive? I think how many of you yes, maximum age is for 40. I am going to bring you to the, don't worry. Okay, I am going to bring you to the notification. We have it. So wait for a minute. I belong to MCA background, having 6 MCA background, having 6 years of total experience. Okay. May qualify other FRM vacancy suitable for me. Yes, Dinesh, I will be going to you. I will be analyzing them in details. So nothing to worry about it. So RBI's direction currently LIC holds 51% stake. I think you know that banks can hold 50% stake in an insurance company. It's a banking awareness question, banking professional knowledge question. You must remember it. A bank can hold 50% stake in any insurance company, okay, or its insurance subsidiary. Whereas an insurance company can hold maximum 15% stake, maximum 15% stake in any bank, okay. But in the case of LIC, RBI has given special approval. They have reversed it 15 to 51%. But they have directed LIC to down the stake to 40%, to reduce another 11% in 12 years. Okay, but LIC seems to be in a hurry due to COVID. They have lost their market capitalization, of their investments. So they are going to sell the stake very soon, but they will not reduce it below 15% anytime soon, or initially they will reduce it up to 28%. Okay, so finally they will have maximum stake in IDBI bank. As long as LIC is having majority of stake in IDBI bank, the work culture will remain as a public sector bank, even better than a public sector bank. Okay, so you need not worry about the work culture in IDBI bank or privatization of IDBI bank. And those who are regulated by the salary agreements of IBA, there is no concern as of now. Okay, the thing is that there are 2 options lies in front of LIC for stake sale in IDBI bank. The one is they can sell it to any private entity. but that will make the IDBI bank a complete private one. Whereas the other option is, as I said, only 1.46% stake is there for public in share market, so there is an option, there is an opportunity that the IDBI can go for a FPO, so that the stake sale for LIC will be done and it will not become a complete private entity. So there is a scope for stake sale through FPO, follow-on public offer. Getting it? Getting my point? There are two ways of privatization. Getting it? There are two ways of privatization. So this could be another one, and this is going to be happen to all other public sector banks. Apart from State Bank of India, in near future, Government of India will not have majority stake in these banks. Either they will go for direct privatization or they will sell the stake to the corporate entities, to the public. Okay, getting it? So before going further, I will tell you that I will answer Dinesh's question. You are having 6 years as a clerk and 6 months as scale 1 and assistant manager. Kindly clarify whether FRM vacancy is suitable to me. We'll check. We are going to that PDF. We are going to the notification PDF. We will check it out. I will keep it on mind. Okay. So means the government will identify a sale as a PSP banks. Yes. The similar fate as IDBI bank people is having, the similar fate is going to happen for all other public sector banks except SBI as of now, or few other merged big banks like PNB and BOB, but all other banks have similar fate in coming days. Okay? Yes, Manmeet. So this is it. These are our ongoing batches. We are currently running these batches: JIB and DBF, Certified Credit Professional and Risk Management, Interview Batch, Canara Bank Finance Manager, all Banking Lateral Entry and Specialist Officer Batch. This is our specialization. All these our specialization. You can find the links in our video description. Okay, you can check out the video links and you will find it out. Okay, now let's go to the vacancies. Sir, where there is reservation if it's private bank? Yes, this is a reservation. There are reservations. Okay? Yes. Okay. If he is saying okay. If DFS is saying the merger will be there, nothing to worry. So roughly 134 vacancies that I have already told, and the registration starts from tomorrow and it will end on 7th of January 2021. That means it will go up to next decade or next year, whatever you can tell it. Okay, I think there is no doubt about eligibility. Let's check the details of educational qualification. First, I think as of now you are sure about this grade C, grade B, grade D posts. Grade E in IDBI bank is assistant manager, equivalent to scale 1. Getting it? Grade B is manager, scale 2 in public sector banks. Okay, grade C assistant general manager or AGM like scale 3 in all other banks, and scale 4 as DGM. Okay, chief manager, you say they are the DGMs. So this is the benefit of being in a private banks. The designations will fly. Okay, there is no limitation to the designations. Okay, so in grade C digital banking, this is exclusively for BE BTech students, and let me give you the I have noted down few of the vacancies educational qualification wise. You can find it out. BE BTech MCA IT, they have almost 15 vacancies. Any graduate can apply for 11 vacancies. Out of that, from digital banking there are 6 vacancies, and from risk profile there will be 5 vacancies. I am telling you there are going to be more number of vacancies in risk and treasury. These verticals are now opening up for general candidates, so there is a scope for all of you in risk management, in credit management. So those who are preparing already for risk and credit must continue to prepare accordingly, okay, because prior to 2020 there was no such vacancy in risk management, and even in the year 2020 there are more number of vacancies in terms of credit management. So the suit is going to be followed for next 3 years. So those who are preparing, they must continue to prepare for next 3 years, so that they will crack one suitable vacancy for them, or they will crack a vacancy in a higher grade, okay. So these are online channel mobile banking. These are also for BE BTech students. BE BTech student have ample number of vacancies this time, okay. So digital channel, okay, okay. So we'll go for it. BE BTech, this is BE BTech again. This is BE BTech, any graduate, okay. You can see card procedures and prepaid instruments. This is for BE and BTech students, okay. Let me increase it. BE BTech students here, okay. And any graduate, minimum 4 years of experience. In manager grade they are asking about, in scale 2 they are asking about 4 years of experience. Getting it? Okay, okay. And for ATMs, CRM, okay, okay. So in grade C there is vacancy for any graduates, that is for scale 3 the vacancy is for any graduate, and this is marketing digital banking, okay. So MBA PGDVM marketing is a preferred qualification here. So if you have any of these degrees, then you are one of the most suitable candidates, okay. So this is it. So pure tech, this is for BE BTech students again, okay. Now this is for security, leave it. This is security students, I am not in a position to teach them, okay. Here comes the fraud and risk management. This is for BSc honors math science, okay, and electronics or computer science. You can be eligible for FMG data analytics, FRMG, okay, fraud and risk management group. FRMG stands for fraud and risk management group. So here there are number of vacancies. So these are rare vacancies. See, whenever there is a lateral entry and specialist officer, these are rare vacancies, okay, and very less number of people apply for this. That doesn't mean if there is a single post in pan India and you will say that there are 130 crore people in India and for one post how will I qualify? So you must remember that this is not a post like for President of India or Prime Minister of India. These are specific and rare posts. So there are less number of BSc honors. That means you have specialization. Honors is a specific subject you take in your graduation. So if you have done BSc honors in mathematics or statistics, then you are eligible for all these posts, okay. So 4 years of experience preferably in banking and finance as officer with minimum 2 years of experience operating as analytics professional banking. See here they are in South India only BSc math. Yes, BSc math is BSc math honors, okay. BSc math is BSc math honors. You can apply it. You can apply for it. You can go for it, okay. So minimum for, see here, if you have clerical experience, it is not suitable for you, because you must be having minimum 4 years of experience as an officer in public sector or scheduled commercial bank, okay. So this again FRMG manager, graduate in computer science, electronics BTech students and MCA students are eligible. If you have done fraud risk management or cyber crime related qualification, you are also a preferred candidate for all these vacancies. Okay. So fraud risk management, trade finance, there are manager posts, that is scale 2. So here graduate from recognized university, that means any graduate is eligible here. So this is basically, and for economist, for CA and CFA there are 17 number of vacancy. For computer science students there are more than 50 vacancies. So broadly there are specific vacancies in specific field. You can check out the notification well from the respective groups I have already shared, or if not shared we will share it again, so you will find it out. Okay, so there is, as of now there is no concern about IDBI bank's privatization. No need to worry about it. No need to worry about it. You can go ahead with this. If you are getting a higher degree or higher salary than your private entity, you can go ahead. If you are from State Bank of India and Bank of Baroda, then there is no need to shift your job for same profile. Or if you have taken already 1, 2, 3 increments, then also there is no need to go for a higher grade. Okay, so this is my personal view, as I have already told that I will give my verdict whether one should join or not. Yes, if you are from any private bank like ICICI, Axis, Axis, HDFC, then it's a better option no matter what the salary is. Definitely this bank is far better than any private bank. I have personal experience, I must be telling you. I have worked 7 years in private banks, so I know that the work culture in IDBI bank is certainly 100% good than any private bank for that matter. Okay, this private bank work culture, you see, in public sector banks or in IDBI bank there is public pressure, political pressure, peer pressure, but at the end of the day you have job security, more job security than a private bank. Yes, nowadays if you do any fraud then there is no job security available to all of you, but still this is far better than any other bank, because at the end of the day you will have job related fatigue, okay, but you will not have unemployment related nightmares. So don't worry about it. You must be preparing for it, and you can explore my teachings for GDPI. I will be exclusively providing you GDPI materials, so you can join me. I am there to help all of you. As I have told, there are so many lateral entries coming. Here it is. Here this one is. You must be applying. Nobody knows what is the mathematics and what is the calculation for the lateral entry. So in any time you can qualify. Even I have qualified for one post in IPB, Indian Post Payment Bank, Pan India, 3 years back, as it was a scale 2 post, manager administration. I was just appearing to understand about the IDBI, the IPB interview. I have not joined it, but I have qualified it. Okay, so without any preparation, that doesn't matter. I am not telling I am genius, but I am telling you it is easy to qualify. Getting it? I am telling you that it is easy to qualify. Getting it? So no need to worry about it. You can appear for it. Okay, this is my personal view to all of you. If you have any questions, you can ask me. You can join my interview batch. You can join JIIB batch. In JIIB batch, we will also cover current banking issues, banking professional knowledge, so that it will help you prepare all your upcoming exams. So I think I have answered to most of your queries. For IDBI Bank, I have a thumbs up. to join if you are getting a better opportunity, and if you are from private bank, or if you are in a lower grade in a small public sector bank like Bank of Maharashtra, IOB, UCO Bank, etc., because the fate is also uncertain for Bank of Maharashtra, for Indian Overseas Bank, for for all other banks. And there is a good news for all public sector banks. Today IOBNs have got their first salary, with them first in the industry to get 11th bipartite salary, and rest all others are going to get it tomorrow, and rest all bankers will get it day after tomorrow. So at the end, this is a very good news for all those who are in public sector banks. So, and all those who are in public sector banks, here are few opportunities for you. You can still crack all these exams, and I'm there to help you. You can ping me in WhatsApp. You can I am only requesting you to ping, not to call, and the number is again 700-832-0021. Any questions, friends? Is future is safe in PSU banks? See, future depends upon you. You can be unsafe being directly in government. Even the Prime Minister's job is not permanent. So don't worry about, don't talk about safety. This is the first thing. But yes, in PSU bank there is little comfort than any private sector bank. And soon to be privatized public sector banks is also going to have similar culture for upcoming next 10 years. Okay. So this is it. If you have any other questions, you can ask me. You can ask me or you can ping me. Thank you. Thank you for being with me. I think all your queries are answered now. So thanks for joining in. Thank you. Any questions? Last 2 seconds. Last 5 seconds. Any questions? Okay, good night and take care.